Hi, everybody. I'm Patrick Green, I'm the Product Marketing Manager at TT, and I want to show you an answer to a question I've gotten several times by people who have asked why we don't show P&L on NVTrader. There's a few reasons to do that. One of the reasons is because if you're trading just if you're just trading on NVTrader one contract, it kind of makes sense where you can keep track of the P&L. But a lot of times, a lot of traders are doing multiple strategies. They might be running something in algo over here. They might be running a spreader over here. Something else that involves that contract. And for that reason, we don't know if that P&L should be applied to just that instance of NVTrader. Should it be applied to other trades that you didn't see in that contract or in the day, or you're doing right now? It gets a little hazy. So for that reason, we don't necessarily put P&L onto NVTrader. But here's one way you can kind of hack it in and get it there. And it works clean if you're just trading, if you're just basically scalping one contract one day or whatever simple contract, you move to another contract and do whatever you want to do. But if you're running one strategy, just basically trading NVTrader on that contract all day long, this works as a way to get P&L onto your NVTrader. So let's go through how to do that real quick. I'm going to pull up micro crude at CME. Let's go to the January contract, put that in NVTrader. You can see I already got some orders in there. I already have a position, I'm already long one. I'm going to put in a positions widget as well. And now I want to combine these two. If I combine these two, I kind of filter down. I'm going to show you a way to combine it and filter down the rows so you just have it based on that one contract. So right now we're only looking at MCL. So I'm going to click on MCL just like that. This is based on MCL. I'm going to look at one count, the 10M1. Not worried about the parent account. So this is all I want. This is all I care about in this instance right now, right? Let's see if we can get rid of some columns. We can get rid of some of these, not all of them, but we can get rid of a handful of columns that we don't necessarily want. So liquidate, don't need that. Average open price, don't care. Average sell, don't care about that, don't buy. P&L price type, don't want that. P&L price, no. P&L, yeah, let's keep that in. Sell quantity, buy quantity, don't necessarily need that. Don't need SOD, take that out. Contract product exchange and account, you can't really take those out. We're going to try, but you're going to see if I take them out here, they're just going to pop right back in. But there we did shorten it down. So now we have it down to just these 4 rows. And now what I'm going to do with these is I'm going to shrink this down even further. Just like that. And I'm going to right click on here, go to create group widget. I'm going to snap it onto the bottom of NVTrader. So now we have our P&L based off the one contract. So this is crude, micro crude, and I have the P&L for that. And let's see if we can get an update. Let's buy another contract right here. All right, we just bought a few more, about 6. We're long 6 now. And you see the P&L is updating and it's staying there static, and we've got all the good stuff we need. So that's one way to get P&L onto it. You just set the filters, snap it on, attach it to NVTrader. Now, what you want to do is save this as a group widget. So you can bring this up again. So I'm going to right click on here. I'm going to go to save as custom widget. And I'm going to call this PL on NVT. You can't see it there because I'm in dark mode, but that's what it says, PL on NVT. I'm going to choose a widget icon so I can remember what it looks like. I'm going to choose the instrument bar. I don't even know what that looks like, but I'll be able to save it that way. I'm going to save the widget. Just like that. Now I can go into my custom widgets. And there it is. So now I can pull the widget up again. Just like that. And let's say I don't want micro crude this time. Let's say I want to use E-mini or something like that, or I want to use micro E-mini. So I'm going to go to CME, future, MES, go to these contract just like that. So now I can do the same thing here. But you can see it's set to micro crude down here. All I have to do is go in here, click the product, and change it to MES. And now I'm going to get my P&L for micro E-mini, although I have no position yet. So let's see if we can get something done here. Go ahead and buy. I'm just going to buy some right here. Bought some right here. And now you'll see, there it is. Now I have my P&L on NVTrader for the one contract, the one product that I'm interested in. And it's as simple as that. Hopefully that works for you. If you have any other questions, let me know. I'll be happy to help you out. Take care. Have a good day.